I tried something new and designed this. Looks cool? Today I'm going to show you how you can create this design using Canva and an amazing free online photo editor and template designer which you may heard of called Pixlr. If you don't know, it is a next level intuitive photo editing with AI powered tools for quick yet professional edits. No design experience needed to use this. I tried this website and amazed with the features of this website. It has many features that Canva don't have. I will explain that in another video. In today's video, I will use both Canva and Pixlr. Hey friends, this is Varun and you are watching Creators Anchor where I upload videos that will help you to create amazing content. So let's start without any further ado. First open pixlr.com. There are two versions of Pixlr. One is Pixlr X and another one is Pixlr E, which is advanced version. For this tutorial I will use Pixlr X. You can use it without even creating an account, but I would recommend you to create an account so that your work will be saved and you can use it for future purpose also. And if you are planning to buy premium version of this, register account through link in the description section and message me on my Facebook page to get the coupon code for additional discount. It will cost you way cheaper than Canva. I have already registered for it, so let me log in and come back again. Now I am logged in to Pixlr X. Click on the create new under open image button and choose Instagram. Here, this one, and give the name to the project anything you want. I will give here Instagram creative post. Now scroll down and click on create button. You can see a blank canvas is ready to be painted. On the left sidebar here, click on add image. Then go to browse and click on that. Select this image. I will give link to download all the images that I will be using in this tutorial in the comment section down below. Do check that out. Now resize this image. Scroll your mouse or use this plus and minus button, zoom out and zoom in button. I will scroll and resize it like this. Now I will convert this image in black and white. Click on adjust and filter. Then click on B and W to convert it into black and white. Now you can see this image is turned into black and white image. I will increase its brightness to around 50 and press enter. Now you can see brightness is increased. Now I need Instagram profile screenshots. Go to your Instagram profile and take a screenshot of your profile homepage. Upload it to Pixlr like we have done before. Go to add image button and click on browse and select your Instagram profile homepage screenshot. Now I need to resize it like this. This image needs to be cropped, so click on cutout and make sure your selection is like this. Now click on image and drag it to below like this. Now image is cropped. Close this. Now click on three dot buttons here on the Instagram screenshot image layer and go to blend mode and select multiply. Now adjust your screenshot little bit. Like this. Now click on save button here below and click on download and your image will get downloaded. Now open Canva and create Instagram post. Go to upload tab here and click on upload media device and upload both of these images, this one and this one. Open. Now click this wall image here and resize it like this, and click on this painter image, resize and position it here like this. Make Instagram profile image a little bit brighter. Just click on the image and click on adjust. Increase brightness to 14. I will also increase the saturation little bit here like this. Now create a shadow of this painter. Just click on the image and go to effects, and then scroll down and click on shadows drop, and if you click it again, you can change settings. Offset 2, angle 0 is okay. Transparency I think 35 will be good, and blur is 5. Now your design is ready. You can download it. You can also use other images and create designs like these. So congratulations, you learned a new design and learned about a new amazing online photo editor called Pixlr. Hope you like this design. If you like this, please do like and comment on this video. It will help me to know whether you like this video or not, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. I will upload more designing and editing tutorials. That's it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.